What's up, guys? This is going to be follow-up on the Xbox One S water-cooled project. This will technically be like the final assembly. So, as you can see here, got the components back in, see what kind of room I'm working with. These out of the way. So I got these tubings kind of hooked up here. You can see this just kind of loops around. I know there's definitely easier ways or easier fittings to get to make this more simple, but then it's not as fun. So you can see here I also got the splitter. So this cable here is what's connected to the wires for the original fan, and then it plugs in here and splits into two, so that one of them will be to plug the pump in. This is the pump wires, and the other one will be to plug in the 12-volt fan there. It's got the same connection as this one. See here, I got the this all bolted in place. There's the wire coming through. It's not sticking out at all on the top, just comes through the bottom. There's the connection there. Got these holes started in the side, and that's where these two tubes will be sticking out of. It's the inlet for the pump and the exit of the water block. I got these two here. This one will connect right there, so technically it'll be in this hole, and it'll be on an angle and go straight up into this one here, going into the radiator. Goes through the radiator, and then it'll come out this side. There's a 45-degree on this one, and this is where the reservoir will be, approximately right there. Another 45 here, so let's go straight down. And then I kind of miscalculated the amount of fittings, or these kind of fittings I needed, so I had to order one more. That one will go right there. The tube will go straight across here. This other one here is what we'll plug into this one. It's sticking out of that hole there. We're gonna curve around there to go straight into exit of the reservoir. You can see I had a bunch of this tubing left. It actually glows in UV light, but I really like having clear tubing, so I figured this stuff you won't see, so I just put it on the inside. I've got this crystal clear tubing here. That'll be for, this connection, and the one going across. You can also see down there, right now I just have a plug on the end of this, but that'll be where the temperature display plugs into if I decide to put it in the end. I got a new red temperature display. This one is the old white one, stopped working on me. But I'll still probably use it as a template. It would probably go cut in right about there if I decided to put it in, which I really would like to. I like to keep track of the temperatures, see how efficient it is, and it just is would make the project a lot more difficult at this point. It's a really tight space here, but I'll probably still put it in. So yeah, that's pretty much everything here. Like I said, I gotta cut these tubes to length, finish these holes here, make them a little bit bigger, smooth them out, and then basically this whole thing will just go on top of there, and get this mounted to the top exactly where I need it. Finish all the tubing. Once that other fitting comes in, I'll be able to plug that last tube in and fill it up with the fluid. Also have, this is the fluid I got. It's Primo Chill. There it is, blood red. So that's the fluid I'll be using. You'll be able to see that going through these clear cubes. You'll see it through the tubing and obviously the reservoir. So yeah, hopefully I'll be finishing this project up this weekend. And then, like I said, I still gotta wait for that last fitting to actually fill it up, and all that. So yeah, any questions or anything, just go ahead and leave a comment, get a hold of me, and the next video should be the final product. And thanks for watching.